Here's my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and remember I'm with Sprint, and I didn't like it very much, but I still have it. Well, they merged with T-Mobile, and they want to send me a new SIM card, so I'm going to show you how to put the SIM card in. And I imagine I should power it off first. Let me see the instructions in the envelope here, and they'll tell me just what to do. Oh, yeah, and I'm wondering if, see how it says Sprint up there right now? Wonder if when I put this in it's going to change to T-Mobile. Isn't that going to be funny? I need a new phone, really, but see what happens with this. Bigger and better network. I really don't have no problem with it now. They were bad in the beginning with the service and all that, but it's okay now. What the heck? It's all taped together. Big project. Pull. Oh, look, pull there and it comes out there. Look at that. See that? It's a trick. Oh, they even give you a little tool here. Alright, I had one of those tools, but there's another one. Visit Sprint.com for backing up your voicemail. I don't care about that. Insert the SIM tool. Replace your existing SIM with your new T-Mobile SIM card. Wow, there's the SIM card, see? Did you ever take it out? No. There's a little hole up here, see? You push that in and you pop it out. Look. How to change a SIM card in a Galaxy S9. Push it in, the little tray pops out.
Using speech services by Google.
Ooh. Oh no. When you pull that out, there's my memory card, and there's the SIM card. I really think it should be powered off for this, but watch me mess it up. There's this old SIM card. Get the new SIM card. Ooh, it's fancy, look at it. Ah, pretty much the same. Alright, let's not confuse them. Look at it. Pretty neat, isn't it? Was that a price on there? $29? Yeah. The same size? It's different, huh? I probably gotta, yeah, still take that off. Oh yeah, look. More of it comes apart. Alright. Don't mix them up. That's the old one. There's a new one. Okay. I don't need no stinking instructions. Put that back in, how that other one came out, nice and flat. See? And you don't need the tool to put it back in, you just put it back in. See? Push it. Make sure your cord is flat in there. Push it. Let's see what happens. Remember it said Sprint? Uh-oh, no what? No, oh, it says T-Mobile right away, see? First it said no network, now it says T-Mobile. See it? Alright, now what's going to happen? Is it going to work? Uh-oh, SIM card change. Restart your phone. Okay, restart. Restart. Your SIM card swap is complete. Restart your phone. Alright, that's what I'm doing here, see? Okay, so that was easy. Please wait. I hope that helped you. Or if you were curious. I like how this opened. Wasn't that fun? How did I do that? I wanted a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or something like that. Or a Note 20 or S21. I don't even know what they're called anymore. Is it on? Still starting. Uh-oh! That's an old one. S8. Holy cow. But that's how long I had it. Whoa. Want to buy a SIM card? That says Sprint right on it, see? That one. So, no matter what phone you have, if it's a Galaxy or a Samsung, you probably have that little tray there. Oh, look at this, T-Mobile. I never saw that on my phone. See that now? T-Mobile. Oh, now I got that sound. See my phone?
You got it.
Oh, T-Mobile. It was Sprint. Watch me have problems with it now. And this was free, this upgrade. I really didn't need an upgrade. What does it say up here? 3G. Can you read that? I can't read that. I might say 4G. It was fast enough anyway. And this 5G, how fast do you want it, you know? I mean, you put something in, it comes up. How much faster can it be? Well, now what? Some kind of boot up message or something. This is applesauce boot up. What the heck? And it also says success. Your SIM swap is complete. Restart your phone. I did that. See the new network in action. Alright, I hope that helped somebody. It's easy to change a SIM card or your memory card. But now I'm T-Mobile. I'll let you know if I have problems with it. No, don't say T-Mobile up there no more. See? Probably will. Alright, thanks for watching. Check them out. Sprint, now part of T-Mobile.